Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. So I recently went to my local Dollar Tree, which is about a 20-minute drive, and I don't usually go there very often because it's the other direction of most of my errands, and so when I do go, I try and make the most of it. So I got quite a few things. So the first thing that I got was these cube organizers. So I plan on using these in my husband's closet. He has a stack of shelves in the corner that he uses for his socks and his jeans and all that kind of stuff. And they're those corner cupboards that are narrow at the front and wider in the back. And so it's a little difficult to organize, but I'm hoping that these will help contain some of his stuff and make it a little easier to find things. So I picked up a couple of these smaller ones, and then they only had one of these bigger ones available in the color that I wanted, so I picked up one of these. Next, I picked up these, what do you call these? Burner covers. So these are for the old school electric stoves. Old school, like they're that old, but I have a gas stove, and so these don't actually work for my stove, but what I plan on doing is I plan on making a tiered tray out of it. I saw Catherine from Do It on a Dime do this, and so I plan on trying to do that to store our coffee stuff. So hopefully that works out, and hopefully I can show you guys how I did that. Next, I got some shelf liners. So I have always seen these at the Dollar Tree, but I've never bought them or used them for anything. And underneath my sink in my kitchen, the lining is starting to peel, and so I figured this might be a really good option to cover that up. So this, they call it, it's vinyl liner is what it's called. I don't know, that's what it's called, but apparently. And then my husband likes to barbecue, and so I always pick him up some of these trays. Things like this, party supplies, are great to buy at the Dollar Tree because one of these will be a couple dollars at Target or Walmart, but they're only $1 at the Dollar Tree. Next, I have been wanting to reorganize my refrigerator. It is just one of those things that I have the hardest time keeping organized. And so I've been watching a couple of videos lately and getting some inspiration on how I can organize. I found these in the container section at the Dollar Tree, and I was super excited because they're the perfect size. They're nice and tall, so they'll hide a lot of stuff, and they're such a pretty color. I feel like most of the time at the Dollar Tree they only have bright red or bright green colored containers or bright blue, but this is a little more my style, and so I'm really excited that I found these. Also, for refrigerator organization, I also found these can organizers, and these I have seen all over YouTube with organization videos and people using these, but I could never find them. They just were always out at my Dollar Tree. So I'm so glad that I finally found these. I'm so excited. So I plan on using one for our refrigerator for my husband's drinks, and then two for our pantry. And then last but not least, we have been needing new towels for our kitchen and wash rags. Ours are not absorbing at all, and they're really stiff and old, and we've had them for a really long time. And so I picked up some of these washcloths from the Dollar Tree. You get two for $1. I picked one up in this teal color and then a gray color. And what's nice is they are soft on one side, but they have a scrubby side on the other side. And I actually had picked some of these up for my mom a few years ago. She really wanted red washcloths, and so I picked some of these up at the Dollar Tree, and she loves them, and so I figured I would pick some up for myself. And then I also picked up a towel, and it's the same blue color, and this is really soft, and so I'm hoping it'll be super absorbent and work really well in our kitchen. So what your favorite find is from the Dollar Tree. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up if you did, hit that subscribe button, and tap that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later.